Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Electric wine openers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best electric wine openers from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Ozeri Pro Electric Wine Opener with Foil Cutter. The Ozeri Pro Electric Wine Opener makes opening wine bottles easy while entertaining your guests at the same time. Designed for home and restaurant use, its latest generation battery now opens up to 40 wine bottles with the gentle push of a button, all on a single charge. The Ozeri Pro Electric Wine Opener is completely cordless. It includes an elegant recharging base with an LED charging indicator and an always-needed foil cutter to remove wine seals. This new edition of the Ozeri Pro Electric Wine Opener includes a bonus wine pourer and stopper. The Ozeri Pro Electric Wine Opener opens both natural and synthetic corks. It also features an improved and new ultra-lightweight design, a faster motor, and an ergonomic grip for effortless handling. Use it at home or take it with you to impress your hosts and guests before the first sip. Number 4. Sakura Electric Wine Opener. Rechargeable electric wine bottle opener easily remove corks in seconds. Compatible with most wine bottle sizes. Open up to 30 bottles on a single charge. Easy to use, simply place on top of your wine bottle, press a button, and tada! Your wine is open and ready to serve. Small footprint saves space. Our electric wine bottle opener is small enough to store discreetly away when not in use. Keep the charging base next to your wine fridge, storage rack, credenza, etc. Makes an amazing present, and elegant color makes our electric wine bottle opener an attractive present, or use it at home, when catering, at banquets, in restaurants or behind the bar. Reliable product and service. 100-240V wide input voltage range covers the known voltages of most places in the world. We offer 12 months and lifetime friendly customer service. Note, please charge your wine opener every 3 months when not in regular use, so as to extend the lifespan of the battery. Number 3. Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless 4-in-1 Wine Opener. Everything you need to maximize your wine enjoyment is right here. Complete cordless convenience makes opening bottles easier than ever. Open up to 50 bottles on a single charge. The foil cutter neatly removes foil seals. Use the aerator to bring out wine's full flavor, and the preserver to retain freshness. To recharge, simply plug the USB cable into the port. Manufacturer's warranties may not apply in all cases, depending on factors like the use of the product, where the product was purchased, or who you purchased the product from. Please review the warranty carefully, and contact the manufacturer if you have any questions. Number 2. Dash Serve Electric Wine Bottle Opener. Drink the wine you want. I'll drink whatever is open is a thing of the past. With the Dash Serve and Preserve wine set, you can drink, serve and preserve the wine you want, not just the wines you have open. Easy to use. Open a bottle of wine within 8 seconds at the touch of a button. The double-sided wine opener opens bottles on the bottom and is a vacuum sealer on the top. Unmatched preservation. Comes with 2 reusable caps that fit any size wine bottle and seal tightly with the vacuum sealer for storage. Plus, the stainless exterior adds elegance to every kitchen. Rechargeable. The Dash Serve and Preserve wine set opens up to 30 bottles on one charge and comes with an electric charging base. Includes wine opener and vacuum sealer, 2 reusable caps, charging base and instruction manual. 1-year manufacturer warranty, 2-year warranty available with registration to the Feel Good Rewards program. Number 1. Rabbit Electric Corkscrew Wine Bottle Opener. Best-selling automatic corkscrew, a crowd favorite and bestseller, this Rabbit corkscrew works on both natural and synthetic corks. Very easy to use. This electric wine bottle opener automatically removes cork from wine bottle upon contact and then automatically ejects cork from wine corkscrew. No buttons, this corkscrew does the work for you. Simply hold the wine bottle on your countertop and place the electric corkscrew on top of the cork. The corkscrew will start working automatically. Great for people with arthritis or hand/wrist pain. Built-in wine foil cutter. The built-in foil cutter on the top of the electric wine opener allows you to complete the entire process of opening a bottle of wine with just one tool. Remove foil before opening the wine bottle. No batteries needed. The wine opener comes with a micro USB wall charger, so you don't need to waste money on additional batteries. A single charge opens 30 plus bottles of wine. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.